A dragon named Drew had a terrible sneeze. He'd blast out a fire whenever he'd wheeze. He tried eating honey and dancing in socks, but sneezed so hard he melted the clocks. He sniffed a rose, it burst into flame. He hiccuped and sneezed at a night with bad aim. So now he just tiptoes and whispers all day, with tissues in piles stacked every which way. His nose is still itchy, his eyes big and red. Achoo! There goes Grandma's flower bed. He tried drinking tea made with dandelion fluff, but one little tickle and boom, that was rough. He sneezed in a meadow, turned daisies to ash. The squirrels all screamed and made a quick dash. Now birds wear helmets when flying nearby, 'cause Drew's mighty sneeze can launch them sky high.